Sammy. Sammy's worried about you. Annika, throw her boot.
There you go. It's all wet. Okay.
I didn't see you dancing now. Come on.
I can do it perfect. Sort of. My sock is so wet.
You should have taken your sock off and just thrown it over here.
Yeah, I should have.
Yeah.
Now inside your boot's all wet and dirt. Cat fight in the mud.
No mud wrestling around the horses.
Exactly. Okay, I need like to buckle my boots on. You are not videotaping this.
Oh yeah.
You need help? Yeah, come on. No, I want to do it again. Go! Shut up. You're so mean. I'm just trying to help you. I'm leaving. You're just like running away. I left. I'm so hard. Oh, that foot's stuck. Came back. That's a fail. You need help. No.
I can't keep my promise. This is gonna go on Facebook. Hey, Shelby, settle down. I mean, you're gonna start aggravating.
This is the effects of Gangnam Style in the mud. I need my boot again. I'm like completely stuck. Hold on, I can't see. Oh my day. Yeah, if you pin your hair out, you'd be able to see. Yeah, exactly. I can't. Okay, shut up. Now choo-choo train. Oh, I'm just gonna leave you behind.
You lost your caboose.
Oh crap!
Just hold on to Sugar's tail. She'll pull you.
Hey, Sugar. We need a tow truck. Help Mommy in this time of crisis. He's like, no.
No.
You're
No.
so mean.
Don't you dare grab her tail. She might kick you.
I was climbing on it.
Where's the love?
I feel the love, Sugar. I feel the love.
Come on. Pull. Pull.
Could she just fall?
Just about.
Almost.
Lucky. Let go. Come on. Walk this way. Get out of the grass. Now walk this way. Come on.
Serious.
Serious.
My foot isn't even in my boot anymore. Jesus, detouring.
Her name's not Lassie.
No. If only.
Lassie, go get help.
Whoa! That was awesome!
Annika, you talking to the mud again.